Getting all your blue-collar employees trained is difficult, right? It's time-intensive and a logistical nightmare. When production and operations stop, it can cause major interruptions. Generally, we see that these employees come into learning situations with a low knowledge transfer. But what if you don't have this under control? What if you don't have your safety training program at 100% performance? There are some serious consequences to this. Accidents can happen, leading to injuries or even death. This costs not only money, but also a lot of grief. Consequently, operations are halted, and you could face additional problems like reputational damage and even fines. The whole situation comes at a very high cost. It's an extremely inefficient scenario that leads to revenue drain. Luckily, there's a silver lining. A good digital learning solution is available. One that empowers your safety trainings. It blends exceptionally well with additional practice training. This optimal blend takes your training program and the impact on the workflow in your production environment to a whole other level.